Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled you're here today because we're going to explore an incredibly powerful tool that can transform your life: visualization. You might have heard the term before, but what does it really mean, and how can you use it to achieve your goals? Visualization isn't just a buzzword, it's a practice that countless successful people swear by. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, career advancement, or simply want to manifest your dreams, visualization can play a crucial role in helping you get there. To begin with, let's clarify what visualization truly is. At its core, visualization involves creating vivid, detailed mental images of your goals and desires. It's about imagining yourself in the future, living the life you aspire to lead. Think of it as a mental rehearsal, where you envision every aspect of your desired outcome, from the sights and sounds to the feelings you'll experience. The more specific and engaging you make your visualization, the more effective it becomes. Now, you might wonder, how does visualization actually work? The answer lies in the connection between our mind and body. When you visualize something, your brain doesn't always distinguish between real experiences and imagined ones. This means that when you visualize achieving a goal, your brain starts to create pathways that prepare you to take the actions necessary to make that goal a reality. It's a fascinating process, and it's why so many athletes and performers use visualization techniques to enhance their performance. Let's take a moment to discuss why visualization is such a powerful tool for achieving your goals. One reason is that it boosts your motivation. When you vividly imagine yourself reaching your goals, you create a sense of excitement and anticipation. This positive energy fuels your desire to take action, helping you overcome procrastination and self-doubt. The more you visualize your success, the more real it becomes, and the more motivated you are to pursue it. Another crucial aspect of visualization is that it helps you build confidence. When you see yourself succeeding in your mind's eye, you start to believe that you can achieve it in real life. This newfound confidence can be a game changer, especially when facing challenges or setbacks. It allows you to approach obstacles with a more resilient mindset, knowing that you have already seen yourself overcoming them. So, how do you get started with visualization? It's simpler than you might think. First, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner in your home, a park, or anywhere you feel comfortable. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Let go of any tension and allow yourself to settle into the moment. This grounding is essential for effective visualization. Once you feel relaxed, it's time to start visualizing. Begin by focusing on your specific goal. What do you want to achieve? Be as detailed as possible. If your goal is to land your dream job, imagine yourself walking into that office, the feeling of excitement coursing through your veins. Picture the people you'll meet, the projects you'll work on, and the satisfaction you'll feel as you contribute to a team that values your skills. Let every detail come alive in your mind. As you visualize, engage all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? The more immersive your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal: joy, pride, excitement. Allow those feelings to wash over you, reinforcing the belief that this future is not only possible but inevitable. It's important to practice visualization regularly. Like any skill, the more you do it, the better you become. Set aside time each day, even if it's just for a few minutes, to visualize your goals. Consistency is key. Over time, you'll find that your visualizations become clearer and more vivid, making it easier for you to tap into the emotions and energy associated with your goals. Now, let's talk about combining visualization with action. While visualization is a powerful tool, it's essential to note that it's not a magic solution. You can't simply visualize your goals and expect them to materialize without putting in the work. Think of visualization as a complement to your efforts. It's like a roadmap that guides you toward your destination. As you visualize, also create a plan of action. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. What can you do today to move closer to your dream? Maybe it's researching potential job opportunities, signing up for a course, or networking with people in your desired field. Whatever it is, take those steps with intention. Visualization will give you the clarity and motivation to follow through on your action plan. Another important element to consider is the power of affirmations. Alongside visualization, affirmations can reinforce your beliefs and intentions. These are positive statements that reflect the reality you want to create. For example, if your goal is to improve your health, you might affirm, "I am strong, healthy, and full of energy." Repeating affirmations while visualizing can enhance the effectiveness of both practices, aligning your mindset with your goals. As you begin on this journey of visualization, it's crucial to remain open to the possibilities that come your way. Sometimes, the path to your goals may take unexpected turns. Think of these moments as opportunities for growth and learning. Visualization is not just about a single outcome, it's about creating a mindset that attracts positive experiences into your life. Let's take a moment to reflect on some real-life examples of individuals who have harnessed the power of visualization to achieve their goals. Consider Olympic athletes. Many of them use visualization techniques to mentally prepare for their events. They visualize every detail of their performance, how it feels to glide through the water, sprint down the track, or execute a perfect routine. This mental preparation can give them the edge they need to succeed and it matters most. Another example is entrepreneurs who visualize their business success. They picture their companies thriving, their products making a positive impact, and their teams working harmoniously. By visualizing their vision, they cultivate the mindset necessary to navigate challenges and make strategic decisions that align with their goals. Even in everyday life, visualization can be beneficial. Whether it's preparing for a job interview, giving a presentation, or even having a difficult conversation, taking a moment to visualize a positive outcome can make a significant difference in your confidence and performance. As you practice visualization, you may encounter self-doubt or negative thoughts. This is completely normal. The key is to acknowledge these thoughts without allowing them to derail your progress. When self-doubt creeps in, counter it with affirmations and remind yourself of the successes you've visualized. Challenge any limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Note, you have the ability to shape your reality. Everyone's experience with visualization is different, and tailoring your approach can enhance its effectiveness. For instance, some people find that incorporating physical activity into their visualization practice helps solidify the imagery in their minds. Activities like yoga, walking, or even light stretching can stimulate your senses and create a conducive environment for visualization. As you move, let your mind wander to your goals, picturing every detail as you breathe in and out. Moreover, engaging with the elements of nature can enrich your visualization experience. If you have access to a park or natural setting, take time to visualize your goals outdoors. The sounds of nature, the feel of the breeze, and the beauty around you can help deepen your sense of clarity and focus. Allowing the sights and sounds of the environment to fill your mind while you visualize can create a more immersive experience, making your goals feel more tangible. In addition, consider using visual aids to enhance your practice. Vision boards, for example, can be a powerful complement to visualization. These boards consist of images, quotes, and symbols that represent your aspirations. By placing your vision board somewhere you see daily, you keep your goals fresh in your mind. As you visualize, look at your board and connect the images to your mental rehearsal, reinforcing the feelings and energy associated with your dreams. The timing of your visualization practice can influence its effectiveness. Many individuals find that visualizing in the morning sets a positive tone for the day, while others prefer to unwind with visualization before bed. Experiment with different times to see when you feel most connected to your visualization practice. This flexibility can help you integrate it more seamlessly into your daily routine. It's also beneficial to share your goals with trusted friends or mentors. Talking about your aspirations can help solidify them in your mind. When you articulate your goals to others, you're not only expressing your intentions but also inviting accountability into the process. This can be an encouraging factor, as sharing your vision can spark conversations that inspire new ideas or opportunities. Another critical aspect of visualization is addressing any internal resistance you might encounter. Fear of failure, feelings of unworthiness, or negative past experiences can create blocks that hinder your ability to visualize effectively. Recognizing these feelings is the first step toward overcoming them. Consider journaling about these challenges, writing down what you feel and how it impacts your visualization. This process can help clarify your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to move past them and focus on your goals. Always approach your visualization practice with gratitude. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude can enhance the positivity you associate with your goals. As you visualize, express gratitude for what you already have and for the future success you're working toward. This mindset not only elevates your energy but also attracts more positive experiences into your life. In conclusion, the practice of visualization is a dynamic and powerful tool that can significantly impact your journey toward achieving your goals. By tailoring your approach, engaging your senses, and cultivating a sense of gratitude, you can deepen your connection to your aspirations and foster a mindset that attracts success. Visualization is not just about imagining your future, it's about actively participating in the creation of it. As you begin on this journey, note to keep your mind open to the possibilities that arise. Challenges may come, but with a strong visualization practice, you'll have the tools to navigate them with confidence and determination. Celebrate the small victories along the way and stay committed to your vision, knowing that you have the ability to manifest your dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to engage with our content. Your support makes a difference. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to more insightful content designed to empower you on your journey. Also, sharing this video with friends or on social media can help spread the word about the power of visualization, creating a ripple effect of motivation and inspiration. Your engagement not only supports the channel but also helps others discover these valuable insights. If you enjoyed what you watched today, consider leaving a comment below. I'd love to hear about your visualization experiences or any techniques you found helpful. Thank you for being here today. Together, let's unlock our full potential and create the lives we envision for ourselves. Your dreams are within reach, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes you.